100 grams of konjac. Chop into random pieces about 7 to 8 millimeters in size. Konjac adds a texture and smell of the shrimp. The smell of konjac is a substance called trimethylamine, which is the same substance as the real fish smell. It mixes with the other ingredients to create the shrimp flavor. This time, I used white konjac for the video. But if you don't mind the color, I recommend using fresh yam konjac. Fresh yam konjac contains konjac ceramide, which helps prevent Alzheimer's disease. Put in a bowl and set aside. 100 grams of king oyster mushrooms. Chop these into about 7 to 8 millimeters pieces as well. These mushrooms are also a component of the texture. Combining multiple ingredients creates complex textures. Place it in the same bowl and set aside. 50 grams of onion. This should be chopped a little finely, about 5 millimeters. Set aside in the bowl. $350 grams of extra firm tofu. This is the one I use. Use one that contains about 114 kilocalories of solid per 100 grams. This one weighs 350 grams per block. Roughly cut. And put it in a food processor until finely minced. A quarter teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of kombu stock powder. A quarter teaspoon of pepper. 2 teaspoons of plant glycine. Because the sweetness of shrimp comes from glycine, animal sugar. If not available, substitute with sugar. 1 capsule vegan astaxanthin 4 milligrams. Astaxanthin is the pink pigment in crustacean. It's originally a pigment found in the algae Haematococcus. And shrimps take it in their body by eating the algae. Not only it has the color, it also has a crustacean flavor. 2 tablespoons Chinese yam powder. This brand is easily available in Japan. 1 bag contains 2 tablespoons. If not available, yam fufu flour might be able to substitute. Yam fufu flour is flour made from African yam. Then process until it forms a single, dough-like lump. Like this. Mix it well with the cut ingredients and it's ready to go. It's also a good idea to make shrimp nuggets. This time, I'm making it burger size for sandwiches. 1 batch makes 6 pieces. Coat with flour to prevent them from falling apart. It's even more delicious if you coat them with panko. Prepare the fryer while waiting for the flour to settle. Deep fry in 170 degrees Celsius oil until delicious golden brown. Smells great.